Our mission? To discover and share family-friendly places in New South Wales. Hey everyone! If you're planning a snow trip from Sydney to Dinnerplain in Victoria, especially with a toddler, this video is for you. We travelled with 3 families, 2 from Sydney and 1 from Melbourne. It was a fun reunion with our snow gang from 2 years ago in Perisher Valley, and this trip was just as memorable, filled with snow, laughter, and great moments. Day 1. Travel to Albury. Instead of driving straight to Dinnerplain, we decided to break up the trip with an overnight stay in Albury. Before reaching Albury, we stopped at the iconic Big Merino in Goulburn for lunch. From there, we continued with a few toilet breaks along the way. Once in Albury, we checked into a cozy, family-friendly hotel recommended by Team Yap. The place was lovely, with a playground that Callie absolutely enjoyed. It was a perfect place to rest and recharge before heading into the snow. We ended the day with dinner, and it was heartwarming to see the kids playing together while we parents caught up. Day 2. Bright and drive to Dinnerplain. The next day, we travelled with Team Yap to Bright, Victoria, to meet up with Team Carol, who drove from Melbourne. Bright was absolutely stunning. We knew right away that we'd want to come back and stay longer next time. We met at a local park before continuing to Harriettville, where Team Yap rented snow chains. Tip: always check online in advance if snow chains are required. You might not be allowed to pass the road checkpoints without them. At the time of our trip, snow chains were required only for 2-wheel drive vehicles. Although we didn't end up needing to use them, it's always better to be prepared. From Harriettville, we continued to drive up to Dinnerplain. It was our first time driving on snow-covered roads. Exciting, nerve-wracking, and magical all at once. Watching Callista catch snowflakes for the first time was absolutely priceless. And the accommodation? Covered in snow and picture perfect. We couldn't resist stepping outside right away to walk and play in the snow. Day 3. Snow fun and tobogganing. The weather was perfect and everyone was ready to dive into the snow. From failed attempt at building a snowman, everyone from kids to adults had the best time. Okay, Madame Mona is building a snowman. visited the Dinnerplain Toboggan Run. Tip: tobogganing is allowed only on the side of the ski area, But here's a pro tip. After 4 p.m., the ski slope closes, which opens up more space for tobogganing. Even the oldies joined in, and they had a blast. Day 4. Snow walks and a surprise party. We began the day with a walk around the area, pulling the kids in their toboggans. We found a nice uphill spot and turned it into an impromptu sledding session. Later, John went on a solo walk to explore and take some photos. As the sun started to set, we headed back to the toboggan run for one last thrill. Again after 4 p.m. before the daylight faded. That night, we surprised Hannah with a mini birthday celebration. The gang did an amazing job preparing everything. She was genuinely surprised. Happy birthday, Hannah! We love you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy 45 more years. Yeah, hey, kiss mommy, kiss mommy, kiss mommy.
Raise a glass, you've made it another year. Happy birthday. Have a laugh, crack a smile, even shed a tear. Because it's your birthday. Pop the cork, pour the flute, make a wish, and don't forget
Day 5. Final day and drive through Hotham Heights. The final day came, and it was tough to say goodbye.
I wish I knew.
On our way out, we passed through Hotham Heights again, and with the weather so perfect, the view was breathtaking. We stopped for lunch at Bright one last time before parting ways. Team Yap stayed overnight while the rest of us began our drive back to Sydney. This trip was everything we hoped for and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more family-friendly adventures across Australia.